Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Printful to generate branded apparel files, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw using Printful, first, log in to your Printful account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Stores tab located on the left side. Select the store from which you want to withdraw funds. Next, go to the Billing section within the store settings. Here, you will see your account balance. If you're ready to withdraw, click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to select a payment method. Choose the payment method that best suits you. Fill in any required details for the payment method. Confirm the withdrawal amount you wish to request. Review all the information to ensure it is correct. Once everything looks good, submit your withdrawal request. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Funds may take a few days to process, depending on the payment method. Now that you know how to withdraw, let's move on to generating branded apparel files. Start by going to the Product Templates section in your Printful dashboard. Select the template of the product you want to create. Customize your product by adding your logo or designs. Make sure to upload high-quality files for the best outcome. Once your design is added, adjust the placement and size as needed. Click on Save Product when you are satisfied with your design. Next, go to the Mockups tab to generate marketing images. Select the product variations and mockup styles you prefer. After making your selections, click on Generate Mockups. The files will be created and are ready for download. Now, your branded apparel is set for promotion and sales. This process allows you to withdraw funds as well as create branded apparel files effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.